Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you some accessories I got from Sweet Spirits. Sorry my nails are terrible and I hope you like this video. Very soon I will do a photo shoot for you, okay? Let's start! Sweet Spirits is one of my biggest sponsors. They made very cute accessories. I love this one. Look how sparkles is. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Next one. I love this glitter tools. It's very cute. This is awesome to make fairy Kay outfits. This is very nice. I love the details. And this pink is very nice. I love it. Talia is very talented. And a very good friend. I really love her. See? It's a tiny bow. Got a lot accessories. It's very cute. More. And more. I love you. They all come with clips. I will do photo shoot after, okay? Not now because I have a headache and look at this. So cute. All the details, the tool. Those are small bowls. And I have a black one. I love this. I can make a Larmier outfit with this black one. This is very cute. And I have also a necklace. Cute, right? Saturn pendant. And the melty moon. The chain is with fabric. It's not a plastic chain. This is the back part on the back, and this is the front. And I got lots of little bowls. Gonna put here for you. small ones. The bear. And a unicorn. This is the symbol of Sweet Spirits. This unicorn, she made it. Oh, there's another one here with the letter star. I also got, I think they are rings. Look how cute is this little box. Let me open. Can I open this? I put it here. That's very nice. Look. It's a ring. This is very nice. Let's check the another box. This one. It's a very cute one. With the little star. And just open. Oh, it's a little crystal. Love it. So these are the things I got from Sweet Spirit. I hope you like it. Sweet Spirits, visit the store and the page. I'm sure you're gonna love it, okay? Bye, kisses, and soon I will do the photo shoot for you, okay guys? Bye.